Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed can grow into a big, beautiful plant? Get ready to explore the amazing world of plants and discover their secret parts. Plants are living things that grow all around us. They're not like animals that can run or fly, but they have their own special way of surviving. Just like us, plants need air to breathe, water to drink, and sunlight to grow. But how do they get all these things? Let's find out. First, let's dig deep and look at the roots. These are like the plant's feet, but they're hidden underground. Roots have a super important job. They suck up water from the soil like a straw and hold the plant steady so it doesn't fall over. Imagine if your feet could drink water. Now, let's move up to the stem. This is like the plant's body, and it's pretty amazing. The stem carries food and water all through the plant, just like how blood moves through our bodies. It's also super strong and helps the plant stand tall and reach for the sky. Next, we have the leaves. These are like the plant's hands waving in the breeze, but leaves do much more than just look pretty. They're actually like tiny factories, taking in light from the sun and air from around them to make food for the plant. How cool is that? And what about those beautiful flowers? They're not just there to look pretty, although they do that too. Flowers are like the plant's way of making babies. They turn into fruits which have seeds inside. These seeds can grow into new plants. Speaking of fruit, did you know that apples, oranges, and even tomatoes are all fruits? That's right. Fruits are the part of the plant that holds the seeds. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. So the next time you see a plant, remember all its amazing parts working together. From the roots hidden in the ground to the colorful flowers reaching for the sky. Every part has an important job. Plants might not be able to talk or move like we do, but they're full of surprises and secrets waiting to be discovered. Who knows what other plant mysteries you might uncover on your next adventure in nature?